Washing your face, tying your shoelace or brushing your teeth are mindlessly done motions of your daily routine. But are you using the proper teeth brushing technique? Let's find out in our following video so that you can have clean teeth and a confident smile. Brushing your teeth helps remove plaque and bacteria that continually form on teeth and around the gum line. When not removed regularly, plaque can lead to cavities, tooth decay, and even periodontal disease. A proper brushing technique is a must to follow so that you can protect teeth from decay and disease. Here are 5 steps to follow for right brushing technique. Step 1. Start brushing with the outer surfaces of your teeth. Gently brush upper and then lower teeth. Going tooth by tooth can help you slow down and not miss any spots. Gently move the brush back and forth using short, tooth-wide strokes. Step 2. Tilt your brush at a 45 degrees angle. Brush against the gum line to get rid of any trapped plaque or food debris. Step 3. Brush the inner surface of your teeth. Because the insides of your teeth are not as visible, skipping them is tempting. But these inner surfaces are just as vulnerable to plaque. Step 4. Clean the chewing surfaces of your teeth. Don't forget to use short back and forth strokes to brush the tops of your back teeth, where food can easily get trapped. Step 5. Brush your tongue. Brush your tongue to remove odor-causing bacteria so that you can breathe fresh. So implementing the right technique for brushing your teeth is an excellent start to proper oral hygiene. Wait, here are a few bonus tips and frequently asked questions answered for you. How long and how often should I brush my teeth? The American Dental Association, ADA, recommends the 2/2 rule: brush for 2 minutes in the morning and 2 minutes at night with a soft bristled toothbrush and fluoride toothpaste. What type of toothbrush should you use? The American Dental Association, ADA, recommends a soft bristled brush for removing plaque and food debris. An electric toothbrush is a good option for those with difficulty brushing or limited manual dexterity. How often should I replace my toothbrush? Replace your toothbrush when it begins to show wear or every 3 to 4 months, whichever comes first. Though the American Dental Association, ADA, recommends the 2/2 rule, the brushing method recommended in Korea is the 3-3-3 brushing method campaign. It means brushing one's teeth 3 times per day, within 3 minutes after having a meal, for at least 3 minutes each time. Nobody wants to deal with the pain and costs of tooth decay and disease. Begin implementing preventative oral care with the right brushing technique so that you can keep your smile fresh, healthy, and happy. Thank you very much for watching. A like is always appreciated. And please remember to subscribe and tap the bell icon for more growth and health related videos. I wish you great health, wealth and happiness in your life.